Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Monday, January 22nd, and I want to talk a little bit about knowing where obvious support or resistance is going to be. And we're watching the S&P right now. This is ES futures, and you can see we came up today. We've been on a tear the last couple of days. We went to a high today, peaked, and then pulled back, and it's just been pretty choppy today. However, if you were in the trading room with me, you know we talked about expecting there to be resistance up here, and this is why. One of the big things we look for are just large numbers, and it seems kind of stupid, but if you look at where gamma levels are going to be, they're these big round numbers, especially if we can find a big number that is going to be correlated across different markets. And what I mean by that is the S&P futures are trading right up at 4,900, and at the same time, the 4,900 level on ES futures is 485 on SPY. 485 is a big gamma wall. It's a big strike that there's going to be a lot of open interest on. So market makers want to keep prices below those gamma walls to keep those options out of the money. So when you have that big number both on ES and on SPY, it's kind of like a double whammy. And if we take it one step further, we look at the SPX as well. We're also right up at about 4870, 4875, which would be a big resistance level as well for the SPX. So we have ES, SPY, and SPX all at these big round numbers right around the same location. So we would expect that to be a resistance level. Now, you can know these are going to happen ahead of time. One of the easiest things to do to determine where a gamma wall is going to be is just go look at open interest and volume on the next expiration of options. So, for example, today you'd look at SPY, January 22nd, calls and puts, and look where the most open interest in volume is at. That's going to tell you where there's going to be a lot of support resistance at. So keep an eye out for this. Again, when you have these big numbers lining up across multiple instruments, meaning futures and spot and ETFs, you'll often find large amount of support resistance develops right at those levels. So keep an eye out for it. Hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, everybody, happy trading.